guys, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will be showing you how to remove acne and smoothen the skin with Photoshop. I'll be using Photoshop CC 2019, but you could as well use this method in other Photoshop versions. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Let's get into the video. So this is the image I would like to retouch. First, you need to duplicate your layer by hitting Ctrl J. Next, hit on Ctrl I to invert the layer. Now you need to change the blend mode of this layer. Click over here and select Vivid Light. Go to Filter, Order, and High Pass. Set this amount to approximately 23-24. I think that will be okay, and hit OK. Go back again to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Set this amount approximately to 3, but that should depend on the resolution of your image. Pull it until you find the area blurry. Here, until you find this blur. I think that is okay for. Then hit on OK. Now you need to add a layer mask. Press and hold down Alt on your keyboard and press over mask to invert the mask. Go to your brush tool or press B. This one. Pick your brush size depending on what you want. Increase it. Make the hardness 0%, the opacity 100%, and the flow 100%. But if you don't want the smoothness to be very hard, you need to reduce the opacity of the smoothness. So I'll allow that at 100%. To increase your brush size, you hit on the bracket keys, open and close, to increase and to reduce. Make sure your foreground color here is white, or if not, you hit on X to invert them. Then you brush over the area to smooth. Don't brush over the hairs or over the eyes. Just do it like this. Don't brush over hard areas. So I'll speed up this process to save time. Now, should in case you mistakenly brush over the eyes, just hit on X to invert these colors, and now you brush over the area. Like if I brush this area, it means I'm removing the smoothness. So you can apply that if maybe you brush over these eyes. Let me say I brush over like this to make it blur. I'll hit on X to invert this color so that black is at the top. This is the full background color. Then brush over this entire area just like that. Now this is what we have at the end. So this is before, and this is after our skin smoothness. With this method, I think it is very good to easily remove acne, remove pimples, and smoothen the body. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe as well, and don't forget to hit on the bell so that you won't miss any of our Photoshop tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.